Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to take a look at a case from Adidas or Adidas for your iPhone 13 Pro Max, and this is the grip case. So let's start the video. Let me show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have a case that's from Adidas. This is the grip case. As you guys can see, it is drop tested approved from up to 5 feet, 1.5 meters. Called the grip case. That's what it looks in the front. That's what it looks in the back. And this does actually open up, so you have a little cover there. So you guys could pause this and read it for yourself. It does work with wireless charging, drop protection, stand functions, compatible with 4G and 5G, drop protection, wireless charging, and it has a whole bunch of stuff. So you guys can pause that and read it for yourself. You do have something up there you can actually pause as well. So we do have the camo pattern right here, which is really nice. So you just have to pop this baby out, just like so. I did actually do a video of this same exact case for the iPhone XR, and a lot of people actually really like that video. Okay, so you have a manual as well of how to install it, in case you guys are curious. If you guys are not going to watch this video, you can check that out. Alright, so on the case itself, let's see how sturdy it is. So it does have a hard plastic, and on the sides it does have a soft material. On the actual stand itself, it does have, it's almost like a gradient type of look, where it's purplish, bluish green, as you guys can see from the camera. Definitely different, I'll tell you that. And on the inside, we have nothing there. You can actually hold it like this. So it's not a true kickstand. You probably can do it as a kickstand, but I probably haven't figured it out, so you might have to read that manual. Alright, so you can make it as a kickstand. You just gotta figure it out. You just have to poke it in there, I guess, like this or something. There you go, just like that. Alright, so let's get right back into the case. I do have the Sierra Blue iPhone 13 Pro Max, so let's pop this baby in. Now, the biggest difference with the new iPhone Pros is that it does have a way bigger camera, so you guys could definitely see the camera a lot more here. So this is what the case looks like. Let's put this to the side so we get a nice little thumbnail here. Alright, definitely a different looking case, so you can actually hold it just like so you won't drop it, and you could do it into the kickstand mode just like so, which works out very well. Very different. And if you guys like Adidas, this is definitely the case that you will like. So all the ports look absolutely perfect. Let's see how the volume is, or the power is. Very clicky, and the volume up and down is very clicky as well. And you have your access to your mute toggle switch with absolutely no problem. Let's see how it looks for the lip action for the camera. Not a ton of lip action, but maybe just enough. Let's see if will it be an issue laying it down flat. I think it's perfect actually, so it's not too much lip action on there. As far as the front, it's pretty much the same, very minimal, but it will be okay for dropping it, for not dropping it, for placing it flat. You shouldn't have no problem with having to pick up scratches. But I do have a tempered glass on here as well, so you guys can see what it looks like with a tempered glass screen protector. So you guys let me know what you guys think about this case. I'm gonna do a slow little pan for you guys so you guys can see the material through the camera, nice and slow, because a lot of people complain that I go too fast. But this is it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about the Adidas grip case for your iPhone 13 Pro Max. I will have a link down below as well. So if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of Adidas products and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.